late. Oh, 7:56. Oh, no. Oh my, what can I do? I'm late to school. This is my... No. Oh, no, my shoes. Sorry, I am late.
I have a question.
Which question?
What is
You have to... No, you're on the wrong page. You have to read this.
Oh, sorry.
And what's your excuse again?
Nothing. It was just I couldn't wake up.
Shut up, sit down.
Shut up, sit down. I don't even have my socks and...
I'm going to give you another tardy.
Oh,
That's a 7th one.
but it's not my problem.
I'm trying to study. Shut up.
The school is just done.
I'm really sorry, but I don't know. I have a problem with... I just don't know how to come here. I mean, I'm being late. There's a problem with my arm clock. I wake up, I shut it down, and then I continue sleeping. I don't know. It's like, I don't know.
You know, there's something new for such lazy students like you. Have you ever heard about the walking alarm clock?
No, I've never heard of it.
No? It's an alarm clock which is running away from you. No? I explain you now. I have problems with getting up too, so I have one of those. It's like a normal alarm clock. You just program the time, and then it's going...
Why does it have all this stuff?
No, I'm explaining. If the alarm is going on, it's going to run away from you, so you have to get up out of your bed.
Oh, that's cool.
You don't fall back to sleep.
Oh, so then, that's cool. I really like it. Is it? Oh.
It's in our school colors, how you can see, maroon and grey.
Yeah.
But
yes, I really like it. It's where did you buy it?
You can't buy it in a store. You have to call a special number.
Oh, so I have to call. Oh, that's good. You should give me the number so I'm not late anymore.
Of course.
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
I will call.
The newest technology in the alarm clock industry, the walking alarm clock, but not only in one version. You can have your favorite college team or in your school colors, whatever you want. Just call the following number.
I have my new alarm clock. I won't have any problems. I'll have a good night. It isn't there. Oh my God! It's too early. I can't. Where is she? Maybe what? Under the bed. Here it is. Now I can. Now. Hi, how are you today? Good morning.
Wow, you're not too late.
Thank you very much for able the alarm clock. That's really nice. But there's some more I don't have wait there somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
I
the
know.
price you have to
But
pay.
at least I'm not late.
Yep.
Yeah.
And your marks are getting better too, so.